Welcome friends. In this tutorial we will talk about artistic effect of Adobe Illustrator. Artistic effects are raster based and used to document raster effects settings whenever you apply the effect to a vector object. Colored pencil. Draw an image using colored pencil on a solid background. Important edges are retained and given a rush crosshatch appearance, and solid background color show through the smoother area. Cutout. Portrait an image and through its were made from roughly cut out pieces of colored paper. High contrast image appearance as in silhouette. Colored image are built up as if from several layers of colored paper. Dry brush. Paint the edges of image using dry brush techniques between oil and watercolor. The effect simplifies an image by reducing its range of color. Film grain applies an even pattern to a shadow tone and mid-tone of image. A smoother, more saturated pattern is added to the image's lighter area. This effect is useful for eliminating blending in blends and visually unifying element from various sources. Fresco. Paint an image in coarse manner using short rounded stroke as if hastily applied. Neon glow. Add various type of glow to the object in image. This effect is used for colorizing an image while softening its look. To select a glow box and select a color from color picker. Paint domes lets you choose from various brush size and type for a painterly effect. Brush type include simple, light, dark, wide sharpen, wide blurry, palette knife. Reduce detail in image to give a effect of thinly painted canvas that reviews as texture underneath. Plastic wrap coats the image as if in shiny plastic, accentuating the surface detail. Posture edges reduce the number of color in the image according to the personalized value you set. Then find the edge for the image and draw black line on them. Bordered area of the image have simple shading while fine dark detail is distributed through the image. Rush pastels mark on an image appear as if struck with colored pastel chalk on a textured background. In area bright color and chalk appears thick with little texture in darker area, and the chalk appear scraped off to reveal texture. Smudge stick soften image using short dialogue stroke to smudge the darker area of the image. Lighter area become brighter and lose detail. Sponge creates image with highly textual area of contrasting color as if painted with a sponge. Underpainting painting an image on textual background and then painted the final image over it. Watercolor paint the image in watercolor style, simplify detail and using a medium brush loaded with the water and color. When a significant tonal change occur at edge, the effect saturated the color. Thank you.